Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for McHenry County in northeast Illinois until 2:30 a.m. At 1:48 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Marengo and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. A funnel cloud has been reported with this storm. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Woodstock around 2 o'clock a.m., Bull Valley around 2:05 a.m., McCullum Lake and Wonder Lake around 2:10 a.m., Sunnyside and Lake Moore around 2:15 a.m., Pistakee Highlands and Spring Grove around 2:20 a.m. Other locations impacted: McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hill State Park. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are difficult to see and confirm at night. Take cover now.
Come on, come on, come on.